Hey everybody, Magic Matt here from Blinky.com. That's blinkdouble.com. And today I've got a short demo for you. A short demo for the Slingshot Helicopter. These are great. They're really fun. They're great at twilight or after dark to shoot them up in the air. They light up. They shoot real high, like over 50 feet up in the air. And then they spin down and put on a light show up in the sky. And the fun thing that my kids and a lot of other kids like to do is try to catch them when they're coming down, because it can be challenging and very fun for the kids. Kids love these for summer parties. So I'm going to do a demo right now on how to set these up. So first of all, package just opens with the adhesive. It doesn't need to be torn, and so you can save the packaging for later. The contents come out, and in the package, what we have here is the Slingshot Helicopter itself, and then we have the launcher. The launcher consists of two parts, rubber band and the hook. So first I'm going to show you how to set up the Slingshot Helicopter, okay? So the wings here need to be bent. So I'll discard this little piece of plastic that was punched out. So these wings need to be bent, and where I like to bend them is right here where the color joins up with the clear part. Right on that line, I'm going to give it a fold. And then it can be experimented with. That's a pretty good fold, but then once we start flying these, shooting them up in the air, you can change it, try different things. This basically is what works the best for me. So you just give it a fold so they're out to the side like that. And then once that's set up, you can turn this bad boy on with the switch right here. Turns on the light. And then set that down. Now I'll set up the launcher. The launcher is very simple. Just have this, the handle here hooks onto the rubber band, which is what launches it. Just goes on the clip. Bet you could have figured that out. And then, some people don't quite figure this out. This is a little more tricky. Now we hook the other end of the rubber band onto the slingshot, okay? Now don't worry, I know I'm pulling it back, but don't worry, okay. I'll do it this way instead. I'm gonna give it a good launch. Ready? 1, 2, 3, bam! Oh, hit the wall. Well, thanks for watching. That's the Slingshot Helicopter, Magic Matt, Blinky.com. Thanks for watching, that's how it's done. And you'll have tons of fun with those, you and your kids. All right, take care, bye-bye.